Morning. Once again, good morning, everybody. Welcome to my Academy, the place for mathematics and science. Dear students, in today's class, we are going to commence a new chapter in mathematics. Pragati, let your concentration be here. The name of the chapter that you already know. What is that? It is coordinate geometry. Anybody knows what is coordinate geometry? Okay. Before going to write the name of the chapter, first I'll introduce some terms related to it. Dear students, you are also very familiar with the basic concepts of geometry. Can you tell what are these? Basic concepts of geometry. What do you call any flattened surface? Any flattened surface. It is called plane. Plane. It may be the surface of the table, surface of the notebook, the surface of the marker, like this. Surface of the board. These are all plane. Plane surface. Then similarly, what do you call the dot which has no dimension, but it can be identified by its position only? It is called a point, right? Then look here. Many points are there. Then this set of points are joined in a particular manner. We get another geometrical concept called line. It may be curved line or straight line, whatever it is. So these are the three basic concepts of geometry. One is plane, second one is point, third one is line. Don't copy anything. The basic concepts of geometry are: one is plane, second one is point, third one is line. Now let us go for taking a plane. Here I am drawing them. This whole, the surface of the whole board is a plane. Just I am taking a part of it. Okay. And consider this part or this flattened surface as plane. And let us name this plane as ABCD. ABCD is a plane. Whether plane will always be in the square shape? No. It may be in any shape. It is irregular also. Even if I draw like this, this is also a plane. But I have taken the known geometrical figure. It's a plane. Now I am going to mark a point on it. I call this point as P. Could you tell where is that point on a plane? Yes, anybody? Where is the point? You want to locate the exact position of a point on the plane. Prashant sir, you may unmute. Prashant sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it is in the first quadrant.
Part of the plane.
Sir, it is in the first quadrant.
It is in the interior of the part of plane.
It is in the interior of a plane, of course. But I want exact position of a point on a plane. Anybody?
Sir, first quadrant.
Sir, first quadrant, sir. First quadrant.
Where is the quadrant? Okay, first quadrant, as you said.
X and Y axis. X and Y axis.
But in quadrant also, it may be here, like this. But I want exact location, exact
We
position.
need coordinates, sir.
Sir, we need coordinate.
We need
X and Y
coordinates.
axis. X and Y axis.
You have to understand my question. I'm not asking you how it is. I'm asking you, tell the exact position of a point on this plane. Some of you are telling that it is in the interior of the plane. Some of you may tell that, sir, it is just on the right side of the plane. Some of you may also tell that it is above half of the plane. Right? Like that. These are the different responses that you are giving. but we want to locate the exact position. You know that your home address is post will come to your home only directly, because you'll give your address which indicates the exact location of your home, like that only. Here we can give the exact position for this point. Dear student, please don't go for writing anything, maybe the name of the chapter or anything. Just you have to listen. Rekha KB, I've been telling you only. Okay, to locate the exact position of a point, I'm going to divide this whole plane into number of parts by drawing the vertical lines as well as horizontal lines. Like, see this is first line, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and 7, 8.
He is in the sixth line.
Okay, and these are all columns. It is first column, second column, third column, fourth, fifth, sixth,
Sir,
7, and 8. These are the vertical lines. And let us go for drawing the horizontal lines as well. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, here I'll mark. This is first row, is second row, this is third row, it is fourth row, this is fifth, this is sixth, this is 7, and is 8. You are able to tell the exact position of the point by
Fifth
taking
column,
Five
sixth
and,
row.
row 6.
C5
Column
part 6.
sixth row.
5.
Fifth column, sixth row.
very far. Fifth column, and in which row? In sixth row.
Sixth row.
Third. It is in fifth column and sixth row. This can be represented with the numbers like this. It is 5, 6. Similarly, I'll go for taking another point. Call it as Q. What is the exact
4,2, sir.
4, comma 2.
4 and 2.
The point Q is in fourth column, second row. I can write
4, 2.
with the pair of numbers as 4, 2. Understood?
Yes.
Once I repeat, look here. To locate the exact position of a point on a plane, we have drawn plenty of horizontal lines as well as vertical lines. We got a special plane, and we call this plane as
Cartesian.
Cartesian
Cartesian
plane.
plane. Cartesian plane.
The plane which is used for locating the exact position of the point, the plane is called Cartesian plane. In this Cartesian plane, we have drawn the horizontal lines as well as vertical lines. The horizontal lines, you may consider any one of these as x coordinate and vertical line as y coordinate. And we locate the exact position of a point with a pair of numbers, and these pair of numbers are called, what do you call this pair of numbers?
Coordinates.
Coordinates.
Algebraic numbers are coordinates of a point. Followed?
Yes, sir.
There is a relationship between the exact position of a point and a pair of algebraic numbers, and this relationship is studied in a branch of mathematics called coordinate geometry. Understood? Coordinate geometry means a branch of mathematics which gives the relationship between the exact position of a point on a plane and a pair of algebraic numbers. A pair of algebraic numbers idre matra a point now easy to locate ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. That is called coordinate geometry. Once I tell the branch of mathematics which gives the relationship between the exact position of a point on a plane and a pair of algebraic numbers is called coordinate geometry. Dear students, the chapter that we are going to study in today's class, it is coordinate geometry. So now you are going to write the name of the chapter. Open the notebook. In your notebook, in the page, you'll be having the two lines, two margins in red color. Alva? Here, look at first, second, and third line. Draw a line with scale and pencil.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me.
Ah, yes.
Here, Shubhan P. Nalpet. So, yesterday also and today also, lot of disturbance coming from your side. Don't tell any answer. Please keep on muting your audio. Shubhan P. Nalpet. Continue, sir. And unnecessary, please don't unmute your audio. Unnecessary, please don't unmute your audio.
Shall I continue, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Draw the line with scale and pencil. Then make 3 points. Like this. Alright. Next, here in the first part, you have to write chapter number. Chapter number. What is the chapter
Raju,
number?
sir. Raju, sir.
3.
Raju, sir.
Ah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, after this class, if you are free, please call me, sir. Don't forget.
Yes, sir.
After the class, if you are free, please call me, sir.
Okay, okay. Right.
Sir, we have to write it in arithmetic mode, sir.
Coordinate geometry.
Sir, we have to write in single line book only.
Here, you write date. If more space is there, you can write the name of the chapter in single line also. If not, use 2 lines like this. The third column, write date. Date, what I say? It is 4/8/2020. Alright? You will write the name of the chapter here. Please. Coordinate geometry. Got it? Completed up.
Yes, sir.
You're right. Start writing from here. First, basic concepts of geometry. Basic concepts of geometry. And below that, you should write. What are these basic concepts? Plane, point, and line. Basic concepts of geometry. One is plane, second one is point, third one is line. So in this chapter, we are going to focus on the point to be located in a plane. Hence, just I'll give you the definition of point. Right? Side heading, point. What is point?
A dot which has
A
no
dot
part.
which has no dimension
It has
and can be
actually
identified by its position only. Observe here. Look at it. Just I'm showing the position of the point. Like this. This you can name it as point. This is point P, and so on. And examples for point is the tip of the pen, pencil, needle, the tip of this marker. These are examples for point. Right. Right. A dot that has no dimension, and can be identified by its position only. Point that has a dot that has no dimension and can be identified by its position only is called a point. Next, it is denoted as just dot like this and is named as point A. Next, example, tip of pencil on needle, pen, etc. Overall. Next point. Coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. Right.
Sir, point line.
Branch of mathematics. Branch of mathematics which deals with the relationship between the exact position of a point. Deals with the exact position of a point and a pair of algebraic numbers. Pair of algebraic numbers is called coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. Now listen. Do you know who has given the plane which is used for locating the exact position of a point?
Rene Descartes.
Rene Descartes, and he is also called father of coordinate geometry. Who is he? Rene Descartes. Rene Descartes. Right. Father of coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is Rene Descartes. Rene Descartes. And the plane which we use for locating the point, what it is called?
Cartesian plane.
Cartesian
plane.
Cartesian plane.
Right. Cartesian plane is used for locating Cartesian plane is used for locating the position of a point. Position of a point. Then look here. I told you coordinate geometry gives the relationship between the exact position of a point and a pair of algebraic numbers. What do you call these? This pair of algebraic numbers?
Algebraic numbers or coordinates.
Pair of algebraic numbers. What do you call them? They are also called
Coordinates.
Coordinates.
Coordinates of a point. Using those only, we will locate the position of the point. And this pair of numbers is also known as ordered pair. What it is? Ordered pair. And it is always denoted as x, y. Please do remember. Right. A pair of
Any unwanted disturbance.
algebraic numbers. Algebraic numbers is also called coordinates of a point on ordered pair. Ordered pair. Full stop. It is denoted as x, y. Is denoted as x, y. Good enough. Over. Now let us go for drawing the Cartesian. Right. Side A. Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane. Take scale and pencil. Take scale and pencil and draw some lines. Quickly, don't waste your time. Quickly. Take scale and pencil and draw the lines. Similarly, horizontal lines. This is Cartesian plane, which is used for locating the exact position of a point. Finished, huh? I am about to finish here. Yes, it is more. I go finished. Arushi, over. Salik, over. Manasayal, Amrita NS. Okay. Dear students, stop drawing and just to look at them. Look at them. What do you call this plane?
Cartesian plane.
Why it is so called? Because it is for locating the position of a point.
Locating the point.
Or it is used for describing the position of a point also. So that is why it is called Cartesian plane. Now, please stop writing. Everybody should observe the board. Look here. Now, to locate the position of a point, I am going to divide this whole Cartesian plane into 4 parts by drawing 2 lines. One is the horizontal line. Here I am drawing. Nobody should go for writing anything. This is horizontal line. And the vertical is called vertical line. Okay. The horizontal line and vertical line has divided the whole plane into 4 parts. And these lines will also intersect each other at right angle. The horizontal line which is drawn is called x-axis. What it is? X-axis, and is denoted as x, O, x dash. It should be capital letter. X, O, x dash. And the vertical line is called y-axis. Y-axis, and is denoted as y, O, y dash. And these x-axis and y-axis, they are nothing but number lines. They are number lines. In the number line, you can observe integers will be there. The numbers that are on the right side of the 0 are positive, and left side of the 0 are negative. Observe. Here are right 0, and this is 1, and is 2. This is positive 3, and is positive 4. Similarly, on the left side, it is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, and so on. Above 0, positive or negative?
Positive only, sir.
Positive, sir.
Positive 1 and positive 2. This is positive 3 and is positive 4. Below 0 are negative.
Negative.
Negative 1 and this is negative 2. This is negative 3. It is negative 4 and is negative 5. But do remember, some students will have a habit of writing the numbers like this. Suppose this is horizontal and vertical line. This is 1, 2, this is 3, like this. Please avoid this. And even negative numbers, they'll mark like this and minus. You have to just put dot only, and these numbers should be small. It should not cross the box. It should be, the number should be within the box. Okay. These are the number lines are intersected at a point. The point of intersection of these number lines are x and y axis.
Start point.
Origin.
Origin.
Here are right. It is origin. And the coordinates of this origin, coordinates, it will be 0, 0. Coordinates of origin is 0, 0. And we also know that these number lines, nothing but x-axis and y-axis, have divided the whole Cartesian plane into 4 parts. And these 4 parts are called, what do you call them?
Sir,
Yeah,
quadrants.
Quadrants. And the quadrants are named in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, this is first quadrant. It is first quadrant, and it is second quadrant. This is third quadrant, and is fourth quadrant. Once I repeat, the x-axis and y-axis are divided, will divide the whole plane into 4 parts, and these parts are known as quadrants. There are 4 quadrants, and these are numbered in the anti-clockwise direction, like first quadrant, second, third, and fourth. And these quadrants have also sign. Let me tell you what are those signs. Look here. Here, first quadrant. First we'll take x-axis, then we'll take y-axis. Here, in x-axis, positive numbers or negative numbers?
Positive.
Positive numbers.
Positive. XY.
Plus.
Coordinates of first quadrant,
Plus.
positive. Coordinates of second
Minus
quadrant,
plus.
Minus.
Minus
positive.
plus.
Here are negative and positive.
Positive.
Here,
Minus
Minus.
Minus.
minus. Here, positive.
Minus plus.
Plus minus.
Minus.
Got it? Do remember this. Next. Observe. Here I am just locating one point. Hope that you all can see this point. Can you
Yes.
see? This is the point. Let us name this point as P. Now I'm going to draw a perpendicular line from point P to the y-axis. See, this is. Do you know what do you call this distance? The distance of the given point to the y-axis, the perpendicular distance from the given point to the y-axis is called abscissa. It is called abscissa. Abscissa is also known as x coordinate. Followed?
Yes, sir.
Sir, why?
Now, let me draw perpendicular line from given point to the x-axis.
Ordinate.
Ordinate.
Called
Ordinate.
ordinate, and it is also called
Y coordinate.
coordinate. Followed? Okay. The perpendicular distance from given point to the y-axis is abscissa. Perpendicular distance from the given point to the x-axis is called ordinate. And these are the actual definitions for abscissa and ordinate. In general, okay. Horizontal distance is abscissa, vertical distance is ordinate. Clear? Then, while locating the exact position of a point, first we will take abscissa, then
Abscissa.
ordinate. Then what is the abscissa here?
3.
3.
Horizontal distance 3. Vertical distance
2.
So coordinates of point P is
3, 2.
3 and
Where
2.
3 is called
Abscissa.
Abscissa.
X coordinate. 2 is called
Ordinate. Y coordinate.
Y coordinate. Now just I'll give you some points. 11, minus 4. Which is the ordinate here?
Minus
4.
Minus 4. Abscissa?
11.
11.
Which is X coordinate?
11.
11.
11.
Y coordinate?
Minus 4.
Minus 4.
Here.
Ordinate.
Now, just observe that. I'm going to locate some more points. You should tell their coordinates. Here I am locating. Can you tell the coordinates of this point?
Minus
Minus
1 and 1.
Minus 5, 1.
Minus 5, 1.
Minus 5 and 1.
Minus 5, comma 1.
Ordinate is 1, abscissa is minus 5.
That was good. Horizontal distance. No simple andre. X-axis is perpendicular. It will intersect at minus 5. So this is minus. Next, this is minus 1. So minus 5, 1. Next.
-3,
minus
3.
3 comma 3
minus
minus 3 minus
-2
-2, -1.
minus 2 and 1 minus 1
3 and -4
3
3
-4.
and minus
-4
3 and minus 4 4
You all understand?
yes sir
Now,
Yes, sir.
assume that the point is on x-axis here.
2, 0.
2 comma
2 comma 0
2 comma
2,
0
0.
2 and 0.
2, 0.
2 and 0.
Minus 4 comma 0.
minus
minus 4
-4
and 0. -4 and 0.
Minus 4 comma 0. This is
0 comma
0
minus
comma
0 comma
0 comma 3.
the point is on y-axis. Y-axis ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x is 0. Therefore, it is 0 comma 3. If I mark the point here, 0 comma
0 comma minus 2
in general, when the point is on x-axis, tell its coordinates.
0
X comma 0.
x
Comma 0.
If the point is on x-axis, x comma 0. If the point is here, 1 comma 0, 2 comma 0, 3 comma 0, 4 comma 0, minus 2 comma 0, minus 4 comma 0, minus 5 comma 0, like this. If the point is on y-axis,
0,
0
y.
comma y
0 comma y.
0 comma y, not y comma 0. Remember that. 0 comma y. See, if the point is here, it is 0 comma 1. This is 0 comma 2, 0 comma 3, 0 comma 4. Here, 0 comma minus 3, 0 comma minus 5, like this. Understood? Tell the coordinate points at origin
0,
0 comma 0.
on x-axis.
0 comma
x is 0
When it is in y-axis,
0 comma
Y.
this is some basic information. Now we move on to particular, and before that, let's go for writing the information. Is an stable point. Only this much. Don't locate these points. Only P is enough. Right. Quick as possible. Over.
yes sir yes sir
Now you're right. Next, side heading. Important terms. Important terms. First one. What do you call the horizontal number line?
X-axis.
x axis
X-axis. X-axis. Right. The horizontal number line. A Cartesian plane. The horizontal number line in a Cartesian plane. Is called x-axis. How it is denoted?
Abscissa.
Denoted as
xo x
x-axis. How do you?
X comma 0.
Oh, x
X,
dash.
0.
Right. It is denoted as capital X. O, capital X dash. Next. What is the second term?
y axis
Right. Y-axis. Right. The vertical number line. number line in a Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane is called y-axis. How do you
Denoted as
y o y
Y-O-Y dash.
y dash, right? Y, it is denoted as y o y dash. Sai Gaurav, have you done? Jotege bariಬೇಕು. Y o y dash. Now you do. What do you call the point of intersection of x-axis
Origin.
and y-axis?
Origin.
Anya Jain, what it is called? You cannot tell. I know that. It is
Origin.
called origin. Right. The point of intersection. The point of intersection of. Point of intersection of.
X-axis and Y-axis.
And y-axis at a right angle is called origin. How do you denote this?
O.
Symbol is used for denoting.
O and
O.
O, right. It is denoted by O. It is denoted by O. Finished up? Are you finished?
Yes, sir.
Now, observe.
Yes, sir.
Observe. We also know that these x-axis and y-axis, Sai Gaurav, how many times I should tell you? You first tell me, I go for telling those many number of times. When the teacher is explaining, your attention should be here. Your attention should be only on listening to them. The horizontal line is called x-axis, vertical line is called y-axis. These two have divided the whole plane into 4 parts. What do you call these parts?
Quadrant.
Quadrants.
Quadrants. Right. 4th one. Quadrants. Sai Gaurav, it should be written. 4th one. You cannot understand, you cannot follow also. Right. Quadrants. Quadrants. Written up. Right. How do you write? X-axis and y-axis divide the Cartesian plane into 4 parts. Whether these parts are equal or not. Maybe equal, maybe cannot be equal. Equally, x-axis and y-axis divide the Cartesian plane into 4 parts. These parts are called
Quadrants.
These parts are called quadrants. How to
It is
name them?
denoted by 1.
Yes.
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise.
Right. Quadrants are named as quadrants. I have written quadrants are named in the anti-clockwise direction. The anti-clockwise direction as first, second, third, and fourth. Ora, Chandana, finished? Chandana, you.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Next.
Finish, sir.
What do you call the horizontal distance from the given point to the y-axis?
Abscissa.
Abscissa.
Axissa.
Vertical distance?
Origin.
Origin.
Very good.
Originate.
Probably in your school test and examination, they may give. So, fifth one, start one. Fifth one, it is abscissa. I think this chapter may not be over in your school, right?
Started, sir, but not.
Sir, started, not over, sir.
Sir, it's over, sir.
Lines and started, not over.
Bapuji school students.
Sir, they are doing lines and
Now,
angles.
now doing
Started,
quadrants.
sir.
Started.
It's over.
Doing quadrants.
3.1, sir. No. 3.1 is over.
And
Yes, sir, 3.1.
Talabado students.
Sir, they are doing
They are
lines and
doing
angles.
lines and angles.
Right. Abscissa. The distance. Sorry. The perpendicular distance. The perpendicular distance of the point to the y-axis. Is called abscissa. What it is also called?
Sir, coordinate.
X coordinate.
Coordinate.
Next. Sixth one. Right. Ordinate. Right. The perpendicular distance. Of the point of the origin from the given point to the x-axis. The perpendicular distance from the given point to the x-axis is called
Coordinate.
Coordinate.
Y coordinate.
Y coordinate. Over. Okay. Next.
Yes, sir.
We will go for writing some of the important points. Right. Seventh one. Some important points. Let us go for writing one by one. Have you written? Listen. Can the coordinates of the origin?
0, 0.
0. Coordinates of the origin is 0, 0.
0, 0.
Coordinates of the point on x-axis.
0 and x.
0 and
Zero
x.
and
Zero and
Zero.
X.
Comma x.
X and 0.
X and 0.
X and 0.
0, y.
Y.
In general, coordinates of a point in the quadrant.
XY coordinate. XY coordinate.
Comma y.
X, comma Y.
Coordinate.
Very good. X, y. You know, let us write all this. Right. The coordinates of origin is 0, 0. Coordinates of the point origin.
X, comma 0.
Here I'm right. Next. Coordinates of a point on x-axis is
X, comma 0.
x, 0. Next, coordinates of a point on
0 and
y-axis.
0, comma y.
It is 0, y. Sai Gaurav, have you finished? Repeatedly, I have been telling you have to write with me. Even I am also writing a bit slow. Coordinates of a point on y-axis is 0, y. Then coordinates of a point.
X,
X,
comma y.
comma Y.
Yes. Quadrant is x, y.
Y.
Sir, fifth one heading, you tell another one, please.
Yes.
Fifth one, sir.
Tell loudly. Ask me loudly.
Fifth one, sir. Fifth one, you tell another one, please.
Abscissa. This is a.
Yes, sir.
This is the perpendicular distance from the given point to the y-axis. This horizontal distance. It is abscissa. If it is vertical distance, ordinate.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, after chapter name you wrote 1, no, sir? Why it is?
First period.
Okay, sir.
Because as some students are getting the videos to see them, they need to know the period number. It will be easier. So as this asked me yesterday, so that from today onwards, I'll follow the numbers. If it is first period, 1, second period, 2, like this.
Sir, when will biology start, sir?
Have you completed up to there? Yes, good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now listen. Listen. Most of you are sitting with the study table, right? On your study table, many items are there. What Dhanush HK? You are sitting in the desk only. Okay. Yes, the top of that is also a surface of the table.
Surface of the area.
Don't go for writing anything. Let your concentration be here only. Confide. Assume that this is your, what it is? Study table.
Table.
Quadrilateral.
This is your study table. Do you say that it has only 3 legs?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
sir.
Hmm?
Fourth leg is not visible.
Sir, we should draw the diagram.
On your study table, many items are there, right? Nalpet will tell what are
Yes,
those
sir.
items.
Pencil scale,
Pencil scale,
sharpener, rubber,
sharpener,
Book.
two pens, book,
book. Okay, very good.
mobile stand,
Oh, okay, okay, very good. Then I go for taking a mobile because nowadays you are using it much, right? In spite you
Yes,
are not
sir.
willing, but your parents will insist. Use the mobile, listen the class. Is it not?
Yes,
Earlier,
sir.
even
Yes, sir.
you
Earlier
are
they were
asking,
not.
but they were not ready to give.
Yes, sir.
Now they only will give.
Yes, sir.
They are only forcing.
Ganesh. Oh. Okay. And you said it depends on your awareness. Assume that this is a cell phone. Keypad of the number. This is mobile phone. It is on your table.
Keypad class.
Keypad idru baragappa along with your smartphone, like your smart. Another keypad phone is also there. Now, my question is, you want to describe the position of this mobile. Alpait, finish the writing.
Yes, sir.
Continue. I'll be explaining, you will be writing. This is mobile. It is placed on the surface of the table. You have to describe the position of this mobile. Where is that mobile? What
On the table.
On the table.
On the table.
In the same. Of course, it is on the table. Again, here also you can tell that. Sir, it is on the right
We should
side
draw
of the
x-axis and
First
y-axis.
quadrant. First quadrant.
Quadrant.
about the
X quadrant.
First quadrant and
table. And it is able. Listen.
It is near to corner. Near to corner.
It is nearby.
Corner. Corner.
Corner.
One of the corner. Okay. All the responses are correct only, but not exact position. They won't tell the exact position.
We should draw X and Y.
Quadrant.
Draw line.
Coordinates we should draw, sir.
Nalpay, don't turn the pages. The idiot fellow. First, look here. Here, to locate the exact position of this mobile phone, then I am going to choose any one of the corner of this table. ಯಾವುದು corner ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ I'll go for naming this corner as A, this corner as B. This is
Corner C.
B. You may choose any one of the corner. I take this corner A, as the origin. Got it? If it is considered as origin, what do you call this line?
Axis.
It is like axis. X-axis.
X-axis.
Coordinate. Y-axis.
Coordinate.
Mobile is here. From this point, let me draw a perpendicular line to x-axis, nothing but to the edge AB. Got it? It is perpendicular, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now slant and draw ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Free figure ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. That is why.
Yes, sir. Yes,
If
sir.
I draw in like this, I would have shown the perpendicular in this.
Straight.
Let me draw another perpendicular line from the mobile to the edge.
Exact.
On y-axis.
Sir,
Yeah.
what is the fifth heading?
ಏನಪ್ಪ ಪೃಥ್ವಿ? Yes.
Sir, Fifth one heading.
What?
Fifth one heading, sir.
18.
Heading.
Fifth one heading. Fifth one heading.
Idiot fellow. I am teaching about this. You just focus on this first. You are coming in between. This is abscissa. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. Okay. Observe it. Prithvi, can you hear me? Are you deaf? Prithvi. Okay, network might have lost. The perpendicular is drawn from the mobile to the edge AB. I call it as M. Mobile, call this position of the mobile as P. Perpendicular is TM. Next, another perpendicular is drawn from the mobile P to the edge AD. It will intersect AD and N. Now, if you want to find out, or if you want to locate the exact position of the mobile, you have to measure horizontal line and vertical line. In measure ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
3 and 2.
Pragati, Baram, come and tell how much it is. This horizontal line, either NP or this is AM. How much? Point is here. Check on it. Point is here. Columbia. This is it. ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ 33 ಇದೆ. So this is 33 centimeter ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಬೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇದೆ. ನೀವೇನ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ? By observing this green color mark your test. Next, vertical distance from here to here. Dhanush.
18 centimeter.
Huh? How much?
18.
16, sir.
20.
16, sir.
Position is 16 centimeter. Now, how do you locate exact position of the? How do you say about exact position of the mobile?
33, 16.
33,16.
Centimeter, 16 centimeter. This is the way to describe the position of a object on the table. Even if you choose B, here perpendicular should be drawn to AB and BC. It depends. Got it? In textbook also, one problem has been given, right? That means position of the lamp on your study table ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಇದು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವೇ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. Did you all understand? Any doubt regarding this?
No, sir.
I have been telling that you may choose any one of the four corners to describe the position of the mobile in this case. As if I choose A is the origin, then I should draw perpendicular from mobile to AB and AD. Suppose I take the position C, corner C. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. If I take B, x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis. Here, x-axis, y-axis, D. If you take D, This is x-axis and this y-axis. Got it? Yes. Now we go for writing. Exercise 3.1. Exercise
3.1,
number
sir.
3.1. Exercise number 3.1. Right. First, how will you describe? How will you describe? Describe how will you describe the position of a table lamp. Position of a table lamp on your study table. On your study table. Study table. To another person. Another person. First, you have to draw the table. Take scale and pencil. Take scale and pencil. Just draw like this. First, you draw the parallelogram. It will be easy. Here also. Finished now? Anvika, finished?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Samarth MV? Finished now? Okay. Sanjita HS? Next. Yeah. Where do you place the lamp? At the middle or this right corner?
Side,
corner,
sir. On the
Middle,
side.
sir.
Corner.
Center.
At the middle.
Left corner.
Center,
It is
sir.
that corner or the how corner?
Left corner. Left.
Second quadrant.
Corner. You place
Left.
here. Huh?
Second quadrant.
Yes, sir.
Let us draw the lamp. Draw like that. Over up. This is the point. 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 Finished?
Yes,
Before
sir.
going to the position, what we should do?
Mark the origin point.
You must choose any one of the corner as origin. To choose that corner, you have to name the corner. How do you name? How do you name? Should it
ABCD.
always be
ABCD.
PQRS, LMNO, XYZ, WXYZ, like that. Here.
ABC is suitable.
A, this is B, this is C, this is D. R. Then, which is to be chosen as origin?
A.
A,
Point
sir. A, sir. A, sir. A, sir.
No, even B, C, D. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. Let us
Okay,
take A one.
Sir, A.
Further, what will do? We have to draw perpendicular from P to the edge.
Yes,
AB.
sir.
This will intersect AB at a point. Call it as M. Similarly, draw the perpendicular from P to the edge AD.
Yes, sir.
And name this point as N. Go for measuring.
5.6 centimeter.
2.7 centimeter.
2.8 centimeters.
1 centimeter.
2.1
centimeter.
Sir.
Yeah, now practical way na think ಮಾಡೋಣ. You one
Sir, we should write our centimeter, sir.
to place the table and no, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ assume that
2.1
every
meter.
1 centimeter is 10 centimeter. Got it? Every 1 centimeter is 10 centimeter. ಅವಾಗ if you get to 2
20.1
centimeter, it will be 20 centimeter. 3 centimeter, 30 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter, 35
5
centimeter.
centimeter.
Into 10 ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 3.7 ಬಂತು. 37
centimeter.
clear? Yes.
21 centimeter.
Okay. Now, let us go for explaining that. Wait, explanation. Explanation. Right.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, why it is important to describe its exact location, sir?
it is a general question also. Why it is important to locate the exact position? We want the actual place of the point in a plane. Actual place. That is why it is necessary. Here many students are there. I want to come to Jagnoor's home. Should I want to have his exact address only or any other address?
Exact address.
Exact. Is it not? Like that. Right. Explanation. Let ABCD. What is ABCD?
Tables point.
Table point.
Corners of
Tables.
Corners of the table.
D ಅಂದ್ರೆ corners ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ABCD.
table. Surface
Table,
table.
plane.
Rectangle.
Plane.
Let ABCD be corners of study table.
The surface of a table. If you take only A, only B, only C, only D, then you can say vertex. Then Here, what does P indicate?
Lamp.
Lamp. A point which at lamp is standing.
Position of lamp.
The lamp.
Position of lamp.
Point of a lamp.
Let P be the position of
Lamp.
table lamp.
Sir, first point surface of a table, sir.
Surface of a table. Surface of a table. Finished up. Sai Gaurav.
Yes, sir.
Next. What is the next point? We have to choose any one of the corner.
Let A.
Let A be the
A is
origin.
the origin point.
Got it? Abdul authority. Let A
The origin.
be the origin. Next. Actually,
Draw a perpendicular line
perpendicular
from
line
P
from
to A.
axis and ordinate.
from
ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
B
ಏ
to
ಬಾಬು
A,
ಕಿರ್ಚಾನೆ ಎದ್ದು
which intersect,
ನನಗೆ ಕಿರ್ಚಾನೆ ನೋಡು.
which intersect AB at M. Right. Draw the perpendicular from P to AB, which is intersected at M. Next heading. Draw the perpendicular from P to
AD.
edge AD, which is intersected at it. Draw the perpendicular from P to the edge AD, which is intersected at N. Next. Measure PN. Measure PN. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? Here. ನನಗೆ 12 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. You have got 20 centimeter. 2 centimeter ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ you may write it as 20 centimeter. Here you write the scale. Scale 1 centimeter equal to 10 centimeter. ಆ ರೀತಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ.
Sir, I got 1.2 centimeter.
If you have got,
I got
write 20 centimeter. If you have got 3 centimeter, write 30 centimeter.
Sir, 1 centimeter is
Sir,
equal to 10
1.5
centimeter.
centimeter.
1 unit is equal to 10 centimeter. You have to take no, sir.
ಅವ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
Sir, side please, sir.
ಈಗ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್
Side please.
wait. ಈಗ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Have you seen that? In that it is mentioned.
Yes, sir.
Every 1 centimeter is 1 kilometer.
Yes,
Have you
sir.
seen that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Centimeter is taken as 10 centimeter.
10 centimeters.
Sir, in the exam, how will they give the marks, sir? If the answer is different centimeter.
Sir, we have to write scale
They
above the.
only, wait. They only
You should
will
write
give the
1 centimeter.
table picture. In your question paper, table picture will be given. Lamp will also be given. Edges will also be given. You have the edges or which corner should be taken. That will be given by those who will set the question paper. Got it? Prithvi? Abhinandan?
Yes, sir.
What is the distance you have got PL?
10 centimeters.
15 centimeter.
10 centimeters.
Not at all open your mouth.
Centimeter.
Hardy, what distance you have got?
Sir, can I?
20 centimeter.
Huh? 20.
20
Means
centimeter.
actually it is 2 centimeter.
2 centimeter.
2
Sir,
into 10
1.5
is
centimeter.
20 centimeter. Gaurav,
Sir, mine 1.5 centimeter.
1.5 itre 15 centimeter.
15 centimeters.
2.2 centimeter.
1.2 means
12
12
centimeters.
centimeter. Like,
1 centimeter.
yeah, whatever I've got, I'll write.
1 centimeter.
Next, measure PM. So PM, whatever you have got, write the same. ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Here I have got 18 centimeter, I'll write the same.
Sir, we have to write
10 cent.
120 or just 12 centimeters. We have to write 120 centimeter or just 12 centimeters. Sir.
120.
Sir, you wrote 12 only. No.
ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ. Got it? ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಈಗ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Because of you out. 1 centimeter equal to 10 centimeter. ಅವಾಗ ಇದು 120 centimeter ಆಗುತ್ತೆ for me and this will be 180 centimeter.
180 centimeters.
Sir, in question only they will give 1 centimeter is equal to 10 centimeter or 100 centimeter, sir.
ಅವರೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, no doubt. Ora? Now.
Sir, if they won't give, we can take any centimeter, sir.
ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ
ಹೌದು, ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿ ఉంది కదా ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
right. Therefore, the position of table line is, here I am writing 120 centimeter, 180 centimeter. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ವೇ ನಲ್ಲೂ ಥಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಐ ರೈಟ್ ಅಟ್. Over. Next, actually, street plan statement is there. It is bit lengthy. Do one thing while coming tomorrow. You write and come. Okay, I'll send that text.
Okay, sir.
Question, sir.
Chapter.
Sir, sir, please, sir.
Sir, second question.
Sir, excuse me, sir, side please.
Second question. 3.1.
Sir,
Second question.
sir,
Yes.
side please, sir. Please.
Sir, when will biology class start?
Will be done
Yes,
soon.
sir. PT1 is there.
Tomorrow I'm going to continue the same chapter. So
Sir,
with
tomorrow
this,
Thursday.
class?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Thank you
Sir,
very much.
Google Form.
Wonderful day.
Tomorrow Thursday,
Now,
sir.
Sir, from
Google
Monday
Form,